made a sandwich. I used 2 slices of bread, some carrot slices and a pea. I also used cheese and cucumber and carrot, sauce and ketchup.
Today I made fruit custard. I have different types of fruit. I have apple, mango and grapes. For decoration I add some dried fruits. I make chickpea salad. It has channas, tomato and cucumber. It's very good for health. My fruit pudding. It is made of fruits, nuts, Greek yogurt and chia seeds. This is a sandwich and it's a body doing food pudding salad mixed with cream and it's a bread. I use carrots, vegetables, breads and I have 2 dips here. Mayonnaise and ketchup
With salad and some cucumbers.
I make a cake. I used bread, ketchup, chocolate syrups, Oreos and jams. First, I took some cucumber slices.
Carrots, some beetroots and some cauliflower.
Then I put a black pepper and then salt. Fruits and vegetables to make our salad.
Fruits contain vitamins and minerals.
A mango shake, it's a beverage.
This is bodybuilding food, this is protective food, and this is energy giving food.
I made onion salad. I used onion and spices over it.
I hope you like my
Fruit salad.